Welcome to EncycloHub. In this video, we are discussing Master in Sanskrit from IGNOU University. If you are looking for any type of help related to this course, so you can contact us for more detail because we provide different type of services like guest papers, PDF and handwritten assignments, and many more. Now let's discuss about this course. In this paper, you can see there are first of all introduction, why we are doing this course because इस कार्यक्रम का उद्देश्य विद्यार्थियों को संस्कृत भाषा तथा साहित्य का विस्तृत और विशेषता पूर्ण ज्ञान प्रदान करना है। इसके अध्ययन के फलस्वरूप विद्यार्थियों को संस्कृत भाषा, साहित्य, व्याकरण, दर्शन, वेद और भारतीय संस्कृति और सभ्यता का समृद्ध बोध होगा। Objective: the graduate students and TGT, PGT teachers who are working in government and private sectors and want to study Sanskrit in PG level. Eligibility is given here if you have a bachelor degree in Sanskrit, so you can do this course. Medium of instruction of obviously Sanskrit. Duration is 24 months and maximum duration is 48 months. 48 months mean if you are not able to give the exam, so you can give the exams in the 48 months. But after 48 months, you cannot give any exam. Now the fees is 7,500 per year, means that 15,000 rupees for full course and 300 rupees as a registration fees. Exam fees is not included. Exam fees is external, which is you need to pay at the time of the exam, filling the exam form. International students, for SARC students, 13,600 rupees is the fees for per year. Now the course structure. Course structure. When you will see the papers, number of papers are only 10. So maybe it can be wrong. So whenever you will get admission, you will get a student portal, and in that student portal you will see all the list of the papers, how many papers they will come. If you have any other query related to this course, so you can contact us anytime. We are here for help you. Thank you so much and have a nice day.